Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing keyboards. Drawing keyboards transform your device into a digital canvas, allowing you to sketch, doodle, and create art directly with your fingertips or a stylus. They offer a unique and intuitive way to express creativity, moving beyond standard typing. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced techniques, helping you unlock your artistic potential with this versatile tool. Get ready to draw. Let's explore the essential tools available on most drawing keyboards. You'll find a variety of brush types, from fine pencils for detailed work to broad markers for bold strokes. Easily adjust the brush size to create thin lines or thick swaths, and control opacity for subtle layering effects. The indispensable eraser tool allows for precise corrections, ensuring your artwork looks exactly as you envision it. Mastering these basic tools is your first step. Beyond the basics, drawing keyboards offer powerful advanced features. Dive into extensive color palettes and custom mixers to achieve your exact desired shades, with millions of possible color combinations. Utilize layers to separate elements of your drawing, allowing for non-destructive editing and greater control over your composition. Many keyboards also let you customize shortcuts, making your workflow more efficient and tailored to your artistic process. These features elevate your digital art. To truly master your drawing keyboard, consistent practice is key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sketching and experimenting. You'll notice significant improvement in precision and control. Don't be afraid to try out every brush, color, and feature to discover what best suits your unique artistic style. Remember to save your work often, especially on larger projects, to avoid losing any of your creative progress. Enjoy the journey of digital art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.